अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
वालेकुम सलाम बेटे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
वालेकुम सलाम everyone.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
वालेकुम सलाम dear. Where were you, Alisha Batul?
Teacher, I was in my village, so there was no internet, so I was unable to take online classes.
Okay बेटे. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fatma Mohsin बेटे do recitation please.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
वालेकुम सलाम.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah. Sadaqallahul Azim बेटे. Everyone open book 6 page 39. You all have workbook with you as the copies are submitted in school. Kindly take out workbook 6 and open the camera. With everyone kindly say present teacher and message me. For example, Sinan, 6 green, present teacher. Quickly message me, all of you. Who will not message me, I will not mark present. Quickly. Rafe Rija, kindly write in message present teacher with your name. Everyone should do this. Open workbook 6, page number 39. Page number 39. Here you have to complete sentences. Subject is given. You have to write verb and adverb. For example, the bells. What will you write over here? Raise the hand to complete sentence. The bells. Who will tell me the answer? Have you opened workbook 6, page number 39? Okay, let me capture picture and share with you. Page number 39, workbook 6. Okay. Everyone did not message me up till now. Rafe, are you absent? You did not message me. Fatma Mohsin present, Anaya present, Ammar Noor, Amsal, okay. Alisha Batul Rahim, Rafe, Moez, Sinan, Abdullah Danish, Reja, Usman, Mubashir, Dania, Aryan Shahraza, Saad Masood, Raim, you did not message me. Moiz, you did not message me. Aryan, you did not message me. Ali Salman, kindly message me present teacher, please. Write in chat, Ali Salman, 6th, right, present teacher. Quickly. Everyone should do it. Quickly write it with him and open workbook 6, page number 39. Quickly. I'm also sharing a page number. Did you all find the page number 39? Sakib, Mom, Zahid, everyone write in chat present teacher with your name. Who joined the class late? Please write it. Look at that. This is the question. The bells, the birds, old John, the children, the sounds. This is mentioned in your workbook 6. So you have to complete sentence on your own. The bells, write verb in past tense and then adverb. The bells, what is the second form of ring? Jivatma.
Rang.
Very good. The bell rang. How? Adverb of manner.
The bell rings merrily.
Very nice. Very good. Anaya, second one. The birds.
The birds.
Past tense. The verb in past tense and then adverb. Complete sentence by yourself. Quickly, bete.
It's a verb of past tense of which word?
It is so many verbs are given. Now look at that. In page number 38, there are many verbs. Love, ring, echo, repeat, happy, merry, loud, joyful. All are joyful is adjective. Sing, play. So use from here. Make a past tense and then adverb. Quickly, bete.
The bird played.
Can bird play? The birds played.
The birds played a music.
No, I want adverb. An adverb at the end. The birds played. How? You can use adverb of manner, place, and time.
The birds played their sound.
Adverb of manner, time, place. Anaya, you did not get it. Okay. G. Mubashir, kindly share it.
Miss, the birds sing,
Sings past tense, second form.
sang.
The birds.
The
sing.
birds.
How?
The birds sang happily.
Happily. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Old John. Sinan. Old John.
The old John
Aryan, Reja,
laughed.
Daniel, Danish.
The old John laughed. The old John laughed.
Laughed.
The
How?
old John laughed.
How?
The old John laughed
How?
happily.
Gladly.
Happily.
Happily we already used. Gladly. 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 It also means the same. Happily. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, teacher.
We are doing workbook page number 39.
फिर से रिपीट कर दें.
G.
Old John, miss.
Old John laughed. Old John laughed. Here you will write in verb past tense you will write laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. As Sinan told it, gladly, adverb. G-L-A-D-L-Y, gladly, खुशी से. Okay, the children. Ji Saqib, the children. What will come?
Play. Plays.
Ask Saqib. Played we already use. Ji bete Saqib. Do take part in the class. Answer me. Saqib bete, answer me. The children.
Children play.
But there are several verbs. Only played and sing 2 words are here. No, na, more are there. Ji Reja. Complete the sentence. Unmute yourself, share it. Quickly, we have to finish page number 38 as well. Reja voice left somewhere. Okay, fine. Arif, complete.
Yes, miss.
Please complete it.
Question.
The children.
That
What will you write over here?
that. आप पूरा एक दो मुझे क्वेश्चन
Complete
बताएं.
sentence by yourself. I will not tell the answer, bete. You will
नहीं
complete.
पीछे आंसर नहीं, आप पूरा वाला क्वेश्चन बताइए. मेरी बुक में
The
तो
children-
अलग अलग सा लिखा हुआ है.
The children, complete sentence. Verb and adverb. First write the verb in past tense. Then put
Okay.
adverb. G, please.
So डैश के आगे भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
Okay, Mohammed Anish, speak up, bete. And if we do not have so much time, bete, we have to finish all the
Founded the
exercises.
treasure.
Loudly, bete, Mohammed Anish.
The children
children-
found the treasure. Founded the treasure.
No. Amsal.
Yes,
Amsal, please complete it.
Miss, the children laugh.
Laugh, plate, we already had done. Okay, Amsal, you already got the chance. Ali Salman, please.
Miss, joyful.
No. The children verb. The children, after children, you have to use second form of verb. G. The vocabulary are giving on page number 38. We use the birds played. We use the birds laugh. The old John laugh. The birds sing. Now the children, the sounds are left. The sounds. Ji Aryan. The sounds.
Yes, miss.
The sounds.
The sound repeated.
Repeat it. Adverb. After that, use adverb.
Repeated joyfully.
Repeat it loudly. Or echoed loudly. E-C-H-O-E-D. Echoed loudly. Okay. Children, you can write. Play, sing, anything, whatever you wish to want. Whatever you want it. Fine. Played joyfully. Sang happily. Laughed. It's up to you. Did you understand the exercise? Mubashir, did you understand?
Yes, miss. But miss, the children echoing loud होगा. Loud.
Beta, I said the sounds echoed loudly. The children played, sang. There are so many. ठीक है, write by yourself.
Plates.
अनाया बेटे.
टीचर वो मैंने आपको सेंटेंस बताना था.
जी बताइए प्लीज.
टीचर the children shouted loudly.
Okay, shout it loudly. Very good. As change. Anaya given very good vocabulary. We have done it. Now look at that page number G, Danish. It's done, bete. Danish, it is completed now.
The children ran very fastly.
Very good. Bete, fastly is no such word. F-A-S-T itself adverb. ठीक है ना? Fastly incorrect word. Do not use it in the writing.
Okay.
Okay. Now move on. Look at that page number 38. This exercise, workbook 6, page number 38. Here we have to create passive voice of all these. We already had done the passive voice now. Look at that. You will hear the bells ringing. The bells ringing will be heard by you. Kindly write it. And other convert by yourself. Quickly. Object will appear first, then helping verb, then third form, then subject. Make it passive voice. It's a review of active passive. Did you understand, dear? जी बेटे, अभिया. Unmute yourself.
I was raising hand to tell the answer of the children played joyfully.
Okay, very nice. Now come on, start page number 38.
Okay.
You will do in your workbook. Don't do in any rough copy or anywhere else. Do in workbook. It's a practice exercise, so please do in workbook. Do mention the today's date. I'm also sharing it. Look at that. How will you write? In your workbook, write date in this manner. Fine, we are doing in classwork, page number 38. Workbook 6, page 38. Oh, my mouse is stuck. Okay, Munta joined the class. Everyone who joined late, kindly write in message present teacher. Your name, class, section, present teacher. Now look at that number 1. The passive one. They had asked, you will hear the bells ringing. The bells ringing. It is future. If we are converting future simple into passive, we'll be using the bell will be. This is the helping verb. Will be. The third form of here it's heard by you. Kindly write it. Now look at that second one. They played the games all day. What did they play? They played the games all day. You know, all day is adverbial, so you can leave that. The object is the games. So the games will come forth. The games. How many? There are so many, na? So, what will come? Was or were? Mubashir. Was or were? What will come here?
Yes, miss.
Which helping verb I have to use? WAS was and WERE were. The game
Were,
is
miss.
singular or plural?
Were, miss, plural.
Very good. So write WERE were. The games were played. The third form. Played by them. Look at that. The old folk saw the children playing. ठीक है ना? The children. So was will come or were will come. How many children we are having? G.
मैं was ही आएगा.
It is children. Abhiya, answer me. The children was and were.
Teacher, children are plural.
Okay. Anaya, what will come?
Teacher, children saw the old folk playing.
The children.
Teacher, the children saw the old folk playing.
No. Helping verb. Was and were. What will come?
Was.
Wrong. Fatma Mohsin, tell me answer. The children.
The children were playing.
I asked only select was and were. Don't move forward. G. The children was and were. Okay, Alicia, you tell.
Miss were.
Very good. The playing children were seen by the old folk. You will hear the echoing of the children's voice. So this is complete phrase, adverbial phrase at the end. The echoing of the children's voice. This is complete subject. The echoing of the children voice. Voices. Now, what will come? Will be and will. Mois. Will be and will.
Will be.
Will be. Very nice. Because we are making passive. Will be third form. Heard by you. Now look at that. Number E. They laughed away their cares.
Yes, miss. They laughed away their cares.
Their cares
Were laughed.
were laughed away by them. Now, who will convert the F? Rafe, answer me. Make passive.
And the sport tired out the little ones. The little ones were tired out by the sports.
Very good. Excellent job, Rafe. Everyone write it, please. I'm impressed here. Okay, who will convert the last one? Sinan, do it please. Kindly do it.
The little ones,
No,
the little ones met,
very good.
the little ones,
Home.
the little ones returned to their home by their mothers.
The little one's home was a word.
The little one's home was.
The little ones were took by their
The
mothers.
little ones
Okay.
were took by their mother to their home.
Okay. Very good, excellent job. The little ones were took by their mother to home. Very nice. Everyone kindly finish it. This is the today's class where we have done page number 38, 39. Inshallah, tomorrow we will do part C, page 39, the leftover part, and page 40. It's very easy. So we have to finish workbook 6, the echoing green, complete till 42 in this week. So your assignment is to finish page number 41 only. Am I clear? Page 41 is your homework. All of you understood? Here, how will you finish? Open page number 41. Let me make you understand. Have you done this? Kindly thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. Have you done? Now open page number 41. Here you have to add suffixes to complete the words. For example, sleep. What will come? Fatma Mohsin. Sleep.
Sleepy.
Very nice. Ji Shahraza. Fame. Page number 41. Fame.
Family.
बेटे फेम मशहूर होने को बोलते फेम शोहरत. जी मोइस फेम. You were laughing. Answer me.
I'm not laughing.
नहीं answer me now. How will you convert and make adjective fame? Arif.
So famous.
Very nice. Sorrow rhyme. Sorrow.
Sorrowful.
Very good.
Sorrowful.
Rafi. Peace.
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
Very good. Abdullah Farhan. Dirty. Sorry, I told. Now child.
Miss, Madam.
Yes, bete child. No child. Abdullah Farhan. Abdullah Farhan, microphone is not working. Mom. Child. Add suffixes. Child. Answer child. Make adjective. Aryan, what will come?
Yes, miss.
Child. Make adjective.
Okay, miss. Childly.
With a childly. Okay, fine. Childly, but childish is really good. Glamour. Anaya, glamour.
Glamoring.
Glamorous. OUS. Tickle. You will do this. The leftover, in the leftover part, you have to use make sentences of the above word. Am I clear? Any 5 sentences you have to create of the above adjective. It is your homework. 5 sentences. Am I clear? A, B, C, D, E. This is your homework. Yes. What do you wish to ask? Abdullah Rani. Danish, speak up. Ji Mubashir.
मिस मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि टिकल का क्या होगा?
You will create now. Everything I will tell. It is your homework now. Tomorrow I
इसका
will,
मिस
tomorrow I will tell you it more. Use your
ओके
own.
मिस
Read it. I will tell tomorrow the answers. Have you done correct or wrong?
Okay.
ठीक है? Now the leftover part you will do. ठीक है? थोड़ी कोशिश खुद से कीजिए. Okay, take good care of yourself, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Today we have done 3 pages. 39 and 41 half page. Half you will do. It's your assignment. ठीक है? Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.
लाफिज
Allah Hafiz.